It is Thredup Thursday, and today we are going to be opening a Thredup fun box. This box was one of the ones I've ordered more recently. Still, I haven't paid any shipping, so we'll see if the receipt is in here with the date. But this one is coming to us from Swanee, Georgia. Hi y'all, it's Christina with Stina Resells. I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and The RealReal. Love doing unboxings on this channel for those of you who are subscribed and watch the videos. And so today's no different. We've got a fun box, which is 10 miscellaneous items, and the box is $34 plus tax, and then now plus also shipping. This one I did order on July 24th, so this must have been either the one that I was able to get with my rewards points before they put an end to that, or it was when they had like a free shipping code or something. So anyway, we have the sealed up tissue, which you know I like and also dislike. I like to reuse the tissue like when I can, but I do like when they package it so nicely. We'll get this ripped open. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel and you do like unboxings and reselling content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So we have a lot of air pockets in this one, so I don't know if that is a good thing or a bad thing. We will find out. Definitely save those. I always think like I have too many air pockets, and then I never have enough air pockets, so I always save them. All right, give you guys first peek. Ooh, I see something right there off the top, so let's look at that. Okay, so this says passport, United States of America, and it's got the emblem here. Doesn't feel like leather. And then the inside, you've got a little spot for cards over here, and then the spot for your passport. So passport holder, there is a little bit of damage here, just some indentation. I suspect that a puppy maybe got a hold of that. I know what that looks like for sure over here. So I don't know. I don't know how much that'll resell for. Okay, next we've got, looks like a swimsuit top. And, or maybe it could be a bra. I don't know. Here it's by the brand Olga. Oh, it does say cami bra. The material feels like swimsuit material. So that's interesting. And this is the kind, and this has an underwire here, but this is the kind that goes across the top and looks like you're wearing a camisole or a tank under. But yeah, new with tags. The price on the bottom was ripped off, so I'm not sure how much it retailed for. But I always do like selling intimates and getting them in the boxes, and then also the sleepwear. All right, next. Let's see what we've got here. Something new with tags. This feels to me like activewear. Kind of like that. Oh boy. We got Athleta. How awesome is that? Okay. I was right. It was activewear. So we have an Athleta in a size small. Kind of a perforated dress. I'm wondering if it's got little shorts underneath or something. No, it's a dress. And there is a tag. So let's check the tag out. Aha. Athleta. New with tags. Okay. Brookfield dress. And it gives a description of it. It's made from recycled material. Wrinkle resistant, skims easily over the body with a hem that hits above the knee. It's featherweight stretch, and yeah, so there, that's what that looks like. So this is awesome. The retail price on the tag says 98 bucks. So there's a chance, depending on how much these resell for, that this could pay for the box. I'm super happy about that. Yay. All right, next we have a scrunchie. This is like a pink or maroon scrunchie, and then it's got like a trim around the edge. I don't see any sort of tag or branding on this. And, oh, I do. Hold on. There it is. See? We have a Lulu. So that's awesome. We got a Lululemon scrunchie. This won't resell for a ton, but I can maybe add this to a bundle with like a headband or another Lulu headband I have or something. So that's good. All right, we've got a little baggie. Well, let me give you another peek real fast since I kind of took that first layer off. Looks like we have a couple baggies of things, a wallet and some slippers. Which, okay, for those of you who watch the channel, you know I love doing the fun boxes, right? And they're not for everybody, but my favorite ones are the ones that have a lot of variety. And it looks like this one does. So I'm feeling like this is, already we got the Athleta, so that's great. So I feel like this is a good one. Okay. Let's see, we have a baggie full of items. Let's see what we've got. I'll kind of show you as I pull it off and then we'll go through each item. It looks like we've got one. And you guys, stop. Two. Oh my. Okay. Oh, okay. Kristen D talks about this brand a lot, Margot. And I used to have one of their bags. Their leather goods are awesome. Genuine leather tassel keychain. It is new with tags. Look at that. That's gorgeous. This blue leather tassel, and it's huge. I love that. Okay, that is amazing. So that was one thing that was in the pouch, and we'll have to go through and count the items here. This was also in the pouch. Stop. I can't believe this. Is it actually Kendra Scott what's in here? I hope so. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look, y'all. We have a bolo bracelet in a really, really pretty blue. And there's the Kendra hallmark there. And then you've got this gorgeous, I don't know, kind of AB stone there. And I'll have to Google Lens it and find out exactly what it is. It's pretty easy to come up with the style and even figure out the stone when you do the Google Lens. Oh, that is awesome. I love this. It's in great condition. Super happy about that. Okay. My son got home from school and he's talking to a friend, so thought I would close my office door. I always start when I have a quiet house and it never ends up that way. So anyway, super excited about this. I think that's amazing. That was a great little baggie of goodies. Next baggie. Now the puppy's looking at me. She's mad I closed the door. Looks like we've got a pair of sunglasses, and I will definitely reuse these too. Love little bubble envelopes. Okay, we've got a pair of sunglasses. They've got a little rhinestone detail around the edge, kind of a faux tortoiseshell. And these do say, they do have a number on the inside, and on the inside here they say Frame China. So I don't know if they're actually the brand Frame, or if they're just kind of nothing. So I will have to do a little bit more research on these, but they're in excellent condition. There's just some very tiny scratching on the lens. It's really hard to show you guys on the camera. I think you can kind of see it right there. But other than that, these are in pretty good shape. Kind of an oversized sunglass. Okay, that's awesome. Let's get to the wallet. Got a, what feels like, this could be a vegan leather. Pebbled leather with a bow on the front, gold tone hardware, hard case wallet, and it's got a little like wristlet strap. This looks like it's never been used before. I don't see a tag inside, so I wouldn't say it's new with tags, but I would say it's new without tags. It's got the spot for your bills, a zippered coin wallet, cards, ID holder, and then I guess like maybe down here if you wanted to put a checkbook or your phone, you could do that. and snap it up. How awesome is that? It's in great condition. So I will, I didn't see any branding inside of this. Sometimes if there's an RN number, I can look it up. I don't see anything though, so I may Google Lens it, see if anything comes up. But that is really, really cute. Okay, so it looks like we've got maybe 3 more items, so we'll go for the slippers next. We've got a pair of hot pink slippers. These are new with tags, and they are J. Crew Factory. They have a price tag on for $39.50. Oh, these are so adorable. These are in a size 9. Those are great. There's the back. It says J. Crew. Okay, I'm happy with those too. This is a great box, you guys. Next, we have a scarf, which I'm about ready to be unboxing a lot of scarves. If you didn't catch it, I am going to be hosting a collab of a Thredup scarf box. That is going to be premiering, which means you can chat with us live on September 5th. And I'm going on at 6 p.m. and I will be posting a short tomorrow with the entire schedule of the other 6 YouTubers that will be unboxing it. And we're going to see who gets the best scarf box. So just off the jump with this scarf, while it's got a really pretty design here, kind of like a little paisley design in blues and pinks, I don't see any tags or maker on this. But it is really cute. So I don't see any branding on that. Okay, and the last item, we have a bag. And this one is branded Vera Bradley. You guys, this box was awesome. I love it. This looks to be in excellent condition. Vera Bradley doesn't sell very quickly for me. Certain pieces sell better than others. So I'll have to look this one up and see about it, but it does sell. So that's good. The inside is beautiful. And you've got 2 slip pockets here, if you can see them. And then you've got 2 more on this side, like that. I don't see a zippered pocket in here. And then there's one on the side here. You've got the exterior pocket and then the zipper pocket here. This bag, has this bag ever even been used? It is in great shape. It's so clean on the inside. Oh, look, there's another little hidden pocket here. I love that. Maybe that could be like for your phone or something. Right there. That's neat. The only thing that I can see, and I'm really having to pick this apart to say that, is there's like 1 broken stitch right there. Other than that, this is so clean. I see no wear on it. You guys, this was like an amazing fun box. So let's count up the items I got. I got this Vera Bradley bag, which is awesome. And it's in great shape, so that's 1. We got the scarf for 2. Slippers for 3. Sunglasses 4. The wallet for 5. The Kendra Scott bracelet for 6. The tassel by Margot for 7. The Lululemon scrunchie for 8. The new with tags Athleta for 9. Did I count right? I don't know. You guys can double check. And then we have the Olga bra for 10. And so we got 11 items, including the passport holder. So maybe they counted the Kendra and the Margot tassel as 1. Because lately they haven't been putting any extra items in here, unless y'all caught me miscounting, which does happen because it's a lot of pressure to count for you guys on camera. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I loved this fun box. I really enjoyed them. I enjoy the variety and the surprise. Sometimes they are not great, but this one was awesome. Thanks so much for joining me, you guys. Like I said, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this fun box. And I will see you next week for another unboxing. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Until then, bye y'all.